Okay, what's up, y'all? So we are about to start trading binary options. All right, so I already looked up two stocks I want to trade that look like they have a good trend going. I like trading trends, downtrends, and uptrends. And I usually look at my indicators, the oscillator and the momentum to see what way price is going. I like to look at the 10-minute time frame, then enter in for 5 minutes. I just deposit some money, so it should be showing up soon. It better show. All right. This is the best trade that's looking good so far. Then I go to the 15-second time frame and look at my stochastic oscillator to see where these lines are. And this is when I like to set up my entry. I like to set it up when on the 15-second chart, when price is either down here or up here. And so it looks like price is going up. This is a gap. See, this line is up here. Boom, that's one confirmation. Let's see what it's looking like on the 15. Oscillator line is still up here, so that means price is strong going up. Only thing that's weary is this candle right here. It seems like it's going up strong. Look at the 3 minute. Okay, 3 minute come down here, boy. We entering. We are entering. Yep, see, dang, this went up here. I would want to, because price is going up, I would want to enter on the 15 when the lines are below this line. Let me see if my money deposit. There we go. We in the game now. Okay, it's almost go time. And so the payout for this pair is 80%. So I would be risking $30 for $24, which is cool because I don't want to risk. You only supposed to risk 5% of your account. So I'm not trying to blow my account. Let me see. It looks like it's trying to go on the downside, man. It sure do looks like it. This ain't a sure trade right here, y'all. So a bit risky because of this candle. And then on the 3, price is coming down. But if it hit, I'm gonna enter if I want this to come back down here. That's when I'm gonna feel safe. Oh damn! No, Visa went to 56%. We are not trading no 50% profit. Let's see. Setup. Ooh, that's sexy. Okay. Let's see what we looking like on the 15. Ooh. I just don't like this. I don't enter trades when, but this is on the 15. So I like my indicators being strong. Honestly, I might have started a little late today because I like catching the market at 9, and Thursdays are a little iffy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are really good days to trade. Okay. Yeah, I'm just looking for a good setup. Right now, I don't like any of these. I do not like any of these. All these are just blah. No trends happening right now. And I don't like forcing it either. I might do this drink because that's the only thing looking like. Okay, hold up. Yeah, we missed that entry. We missed that entry. We missed that, y'all. We missed it. We missed it. We missed it. Dang, we missed it. Yeah, we missed it. We missed it. We missed it. I was gonna enter right here, and it pushed up. That would have been a win for sure. Would have been a win for sure. So I have to wait for it to come back down. Dang, I missed that. Kind of mad. I mean, I feel like, let's see. Yep, it's that. Ooh, that was a big push. I should have entered. Should coulda woulda. Ain't gonna focus on that. Might have another setup. I just want to at least get one trade in, man. Uno más. Uno más. Uno más. Honestly, the market ain't looking too hot. It's not exciting me. Oh, we got gold back on the map. Oh, okay. All right. We can do gold. Do gold. We can do gold. Gold be having those big drops. Like, never caught one of these big, like this drop right here, man. That's early in the morning for me. I'm gonna have to look at the lower time. I'll enter. This got to be up here. For that to come up. So I have to come up for me to enter. Yeah, it's definitely gotta come up. It's at the bottom of this. Okay, we got a new candle forming. Yeah, I could enter, but it's risky. I need a confirmation. I need a confirmation. I need one of these lines to hit. One of these lines to hit. It look like it's hard on that drop right there. Yeah, I might enter. I'm gonna enter for sell. Low 5 minutes. Now we just wait. Because it could turn around, and that's why I do not like entering when on the 15 and 30 when it has not, because this could easily go. I wanted to take a trade today, though. We'll see what it do, but that was a bit risky. But dang, look at this. It's on the downside. That was a bit risky. Because this do still got room to go up. And it had a lot of room to go up. I should have been a little bit more patient. Because look at that. This was the time to enter. This was the time to enter right here. Right here was the time to enter. Right here. This is the time to enter. If I would have just waited a little bit longer. Patience is key. And it might still come down. So we got 2 minutes left. We got 2 minutes left to see what they gonna do. What you gonna do, Kendall? Okay. I'm seeing. I'm seeing you coming in. Two minutes to go. It's struggling. It do not want to come down. Oh, okay. That's what I like to see. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Oh, big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. This is probably the only trade I'm gonna take today because literally the market is just so right now. New candle forming. Oh, big drop. We in this. Look at this on the 15. Boom. We out of there. 50 seconds. Don't do this to me. Don't you dare. I think we're in the clear though. I definitely think we're in the clear. We're definitely in the clear. We are in the clear. 20 seconds. And this is the only trade I'm taking today. Unless Brent oil got a good setup going. And we won that. Won the 30 back plus 24. Boom. There we go, baby. And I broke even this week. Let me see what it's looking like on the 15 now. No. You know what? I'm gonna take my win for the day. The market is right now, and I'm gonna accept that. I'm gonna accept that, and we're gonna end it right here with one win. All right.